You're watching How Leap. Let's fix your Instagram sharing list not being in order. The list is algorithmically sorted by your most frequent interactions, not alphabetically. To influence it, interact more with the accounts you want at the top. Like their posts, comment, send direct messages, and view their stories regularly. The algorithm will update over time. You can also try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Phone Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, then offload app and reinstall it. Restart your phone after. There is no manual way to reorder the list. If you have just followed new accounts, they may appear at the bottom initially. Consistent interaction is the key to changing the order. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.